Greetings, my beautiful people. I will do another reaction this time. It will be a reaction that I have not seen the movie from it. The video has only 70,000 views, has been uploaded last year on YouTube, and the title is called Pavел Smeyan and Tatьяna Voronina, The Wind of Change, from the TV film Мэри Poppins, Goodbye 1983. Showing my reaction from Luxembourg. To all the watchers, you have any recommendations or questions, drop it in the comments below.
Кружит земля, как в детстве карусель, а над землей кружат ветра потерь. Ветра потерь, разлук, обид и зла, им нет числа. Им нет числа, сквозят из всех щелей в сердца людей, срывая дверь с петель, круша надежды и внушая.
So imagine this video has been uploaded like 42 years old. So ago, not old. So imagine if you're like 56 years old. Let me know if you have seen that movie in the cinema back 42 years ago.
Шая страх, кружат ветра, кружат ветра. Сотни лет, и день, и ночь вращается карусель, земля. Сотни лет, все ветры возвращаются на круги своя.
Но есть на свете ветер перемен. Он прилетит, прогнав ветра измен. Развеет он, когда придет пора. Ветра разлук, обид.
I mean, only one carousel can make a person and family so happy. We can see, I see there's only one carousel somewhere in a park, and they're holding all a balloon, probably all happy, smiling, and making life very simple and happy without having a lot of things. I'm also wondering what is this person doing with the umbrella at the carousel, but that's the only person. So that's the balloons that we saw on the carousel that we see right now on this video.
Завтра ветер переменится, завтра прошлому взамен. Он придет, он будет добрый, ласковый, ветер перемен. Ветер перемен.
But right now we saw a lot of people, not a lot, some people with different styles from job positions, somewhere in a pretty quiet village. So ladies and gentlemen, that was the end of this video. 42 years. So if you have ever watched this video in the cinema, let me know in the comments below. I was enjoying this because it was pretty beautiful, the moment that we saw that these people, they were enjoying the small things that we saw on the carousel. Also the meaning that we saw at the same time with the carousel about the person who was with the umbrella. We saw it even here, that it was even in the sky. The meaning of this video, what we have seen in these 6 minutes, was pretty beautiful in my opinion. For the rest, what do you think about this video? Let me know in the comments below. For the rest, have a wonderful day and I will see you on the next one. Goodbye.